Hello, are you ready for an amazing video? Today I'm going to share with you the 10 surprising foods that will work wonders for your blood vessels and boost your circulation. Seriously, you won't want to miss this. Firstly, let's talk about what might be clogging your arteries, forming those pesky fat plaques and causing issues like atherosclerosis, which increases the risk of heart attack or stroke. But the question is, can we reverse this process? And most importantly, we'll introduce the 10 powerful foods that can actually significantly reduce the buildup of fat in the arteries. Oh, and don't worry, because in this video, I'll also share an amazing recipe with just 3 ingredients to keep your arteries clean and shiny. But it's important to remember that the information I'll share is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. So let's learn and take care of ourselves together. Okay, so don't go anywhere. I'll reveal how you can keep your blood vessels healthy and get rid of those fat plaques. We understand that cardiovascular diseases are a serious issue worldwide. And what's even more incredible, we know that small changes in diet and habits can make all the difference. So let's go together towards better cardiovascular health than ever before. There are 3 main factors that can damage your arteries: inflammation, cholesterol deposition, atherosclerosis, and the formation of clots or emboli. It's crucial to understand how to prevent your blood vessels from becoming ill and to halt this process of artery destruction. Additionally, it's important to know that in some cases, it's possible to reverse the buildup of fat plaques based on numerous reliable scientific studies. Combating inflammation is essential to prevent blockages in the arteries. Within these pipes that carry our blood to organs and tissues, there is the endothelium, a crucial inner lining. It performs various vital functions, such as regulating vascular tone, producing relaxation factors like nitric oxide, which dilates the arteries, maintaining smooth blood flow, balancing coagulation to prevent clot formation, and repelling circulating cholesterol to prevent its accumulation in the arteries. However, inflammation in the body can cause dysfunction in the endothelium, compromising all these essential functions. Instead of being repelled, cholesterol is attracted to these dysfunctional points where it accumulates, forming fat plaques. Thus, inflammation and high cholesterol content are a dangerous combination, similar to phosphorus and gasoline. Therefore, it is crucial to reduce inflammation in the body. But how do we do that? We need to combat the causes of inflammation, which include obesity, especially visceral fat in the belly, smoking, which inflames all arteries, high blood pressure, sedentary lifestyle, stress, lack of sleep, high cholesterol, and an inflammatory diet. Let's address this step by step. First, take a look at your belly. Is it protruding? This could be a sign of inflammation. Take a measurement using a tape measure. If you're a woman and your waist circumference is less than 88 centimeters, you're within the ideal range. For men, the limit is 102 centimeters. However, if you're above these values, it's time to work on losing that abdominal fat. This abdominal fat also stimulates the production of hormones that increase appetite, affect mood, and elevate cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It impacts the entire metabolism, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, high blood pressure, and fatty liver disease. Therefore, it is absolutely crucial to lose abdominal fat. But what contributes to belly fat gain and exacerbates inflammation? First and foremost, ultra-processed foods, full of preservatives, flavor enhancers, artificial colors. They are cheap and widely consumed, but they are true bombs for your body, high in sugar, fats, and salt with low nutritional value. What's worse is that many people replace natural and healthy foods with these highly processed industrial formulations, packed with substances synthesized in laboratories, which cause inflammation and even cancer. All of this is done to prolong shelf life or to enhance flavor and appearance. In addition to sugar, another villain that contributes to increased abdominal fat and causes inflammation is corn syrup and fructose, considered even worse than sugar because they are cheaper. If you consume sodas, energy drinks, processed barbecue sauces, ready-made tomato sauces, cereal bars, sugary breakfast cereals, donuts, frozen desserts, sweetened yogurts, you are ingesting these harmful ingredients. It is important to pay attention to food labels and seek healthier and more natural options whenever possible to ensure a diet that promotes health and well-being. Therefore, it is essential to reduce reduce the consumption of sugar, corn syrup, and fructose. Even some seemingly healthy foods, like certain cereal bars, may contain these ingredients, so it's important to stay vigilant. Additionally, other refined carbohydrates very present in the American diet, such as baked goods, potato chips, cookies, and sugary cereals, also cause spikes in blood glucose and insulin. Well, now that we've cleared up the whole cholesterol story, let's get straight to the point. The top 10 foods to keep our arteries clean. Ready? Here we go. Food number 10 is olive oil, a crucial ingredient that should be on your plate. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, olive oil can reduce LDL cholesterol, benefiting cardiovascular health. Additionally, olive oil is an excellent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, combating oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Scientific studies consistently show a link between regular olive oil consumption and lower risks of cardiovascular diseases, some types of cancer, and even dementia. People who consume significant amounts of olive oil in their diet tend to have better health outcomes compared to those who consume little or none. So, whether in salads or in preparing hot dishes like beans or rice, olive oil is a healthy and flavorful choice that can significantly contribute to keeping your arteries clean and promoting overall body health. Food number 9. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and various nuts, are an excellent addition to your diet due to their cardiovascular health benefits. They are rich in healthy, unsaturated fats, such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which have been associated with reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol, which is positive for heart health. Moreover, nuts are a concentrated source of fiber, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients such as vitamin E and magnesium, which play important roles in reducing inflammation and improving overall health. However, it's important to consume nuts in moderation as they are calorically dense and can be expensive. A small daily portion, like a handful of nuts, may be sufficient to reap their benefits without overdoing the calories. Incorporating them into salads, yogurts, smoothies, or enjoying them as a healthy snack between meals are great ways to enjoy their nutritional properties. Food number 8. Omega-3 rich fish such as salmon, tuna, trout, sardines, mackerel, and herring are excellent choices for improving artery health and promoting a healthy heart. This is due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is a type of polyunsaturated fat that plays several important roles in cardiovascular health. It is known to increase HDL cholesterol levels, aiding in the removal of bad cholesterol from arteries. Additionally, omega-3 has the ability to reduce triglycerides, another risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. In addition to these benefits, omega-3 possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and vasodilatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the arteries, promotes blood vessel dilation, reduces platelet aggregation, preventing blood clot formation, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Certainly, incorporating omega-3 rich fish into your diet regularly can be an effective strategy to keep your arteries clean and prevent heart diseases. Food number 7. Flaxseed is an extremely nutritious and versatile seed that offers a variety of health benefits, especially for cardiovascular health. One of its main advantages is its high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of essential omega-3 fatty acid. Studies suggest that the ALA present in flaxseed and flaxseed oil may be beneficial for people with heart disease. It has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects, which is crucial for heart health. In addition, ALA has the ability to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. It can also help control blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for preventing or controlling diabetes. Another benefit of linseed is its high content of phytosterols, plant compounds that can block the absorption of cholesterol in the intestine. This means that linseed can help reduce blood cholesterol levels, offering another layer of protection against cardiovascular disease. Therefore, including flaxseed in your diet, whether in the form of whole seeds, flaxseed flour, or flaxseed oil, can be an effective strategy for improving your heart health and keeping your arteries clean. Food number 6. Chia seeds are true superfoods, packed with essential nutrients for the body's health. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats known for their numerous benefits for the heart and brain. The omega-3 in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation in the body, promote cardiovascular health, and even improve brain function. In addition to omega-3, chia seeds are rich in iron, an important mineral for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body. They are also an excellent source of calcium, essential for bone and muscle health, and antioxidants, which help combat damage caused by free radicals and protect against chronic diseases. A notable characteristic of chia seeds is their high concentration of fiber and mucilage. These water-soluble substances form a gel when they come into contact with liquids, which helps increase satiety, regulate intestinal transit, and promote healthy digestion. Moreover, the fiber in chia seeds helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in the body, which is essential for cardiovascular health. Including chia seeds in your daily diet is a simple and effective way to improve your health. Food number 5. Oats are one of the healthiest foods you can include in your diet. They contain a unique combination of soluble and insoluble fibers, being especially rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber known for its cardiovascular health benefits. Beta-glucan has the ability to reduce blood cholesterol levels, which in turn helps decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. It's no wonder oats have received the seal of approval from the Brazilian Society of Cardiology. Studies have shown that consuming a daily serving of oats, equivalent to about 1.5 cups of cooked oats, can lead to a significant reduction in cholesterol, typically between 5 to 8%. This is due to beta-glucan's ability to bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract and help remove it from the body. Additionally, oats are an excellent source of essential nutrients such as B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, making them a nutritious choice for a balanced and healthy diet. Food number 4. As for beans, such as black, white, and string beans, as well as other legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and peas, they are equally beneficial for cardiovascular health. These foods are rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. Additionally, beans and legumes are low glycemic index foods, meaning they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, helping to maintain stable energy levels and promoting satiety. Therefore, including a variety of foods rich in soluble fiber, such as oats, beans, and legumes, in your daily diet can be an effective strategy for maintaining heart and artery health, as well as promoting a balanced and nutritious diet. Food number 3. Avocado is an exceptionally healthy food, renowned for its nutritional benefits and its protective properties for heart health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocado is an excellent source of oleic acid, a type of healthy fat known for its beneficial effects on cholesterol levels. The monounsaturated fats present in avocado have been shown to help increase HDL, good cholesterol, and reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, especially in overweight or obese individuals. Additionally, avocado is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which plays a crucial role in protecting cells against damage caused by free radicals and reducing inflammation in the body. Scientific studies suggest that regularly including avocado in the diet can help improve LDL cholesterol levels and consequently reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, avocado is an abundant source of other essential nutrients such as potassium, fiber, B vitamins, and folic acid, which are important for overall body health and can contribute to a balanced and nutritious diet. Food. Number 2. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content is more than just a tasty indulgence. It's also a potent source of flavonoids, antioxidant compounds that offer a range of benefits for cardiovascular health. The flavonoids found in cocoa, especially epicatechin, have been linked to positive effects on blood vessels and blood pressure. Epicatechin, a type of flavonoid found in cocoa, plays a crucial role in improving blood vessel health by increasing the production of nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is responsible for vasodilation, meaning the relaxation of blood vessel walls, which helps lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. In addition to its vasodilating effects, cocoa also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve vascular function. Furthermore, studies suggest that regular consumption of dark chocolate may positively influence insulin resistance, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. It's important to note that to reap these benefits, it's essential to choose chocolate with a high cocoa content, preferably above 70%. Milk chocolate, common in many treats, tends to have less cocoa and more sugar, which can neutralize the health benefits. In addition to heart benefits, cocoa is also recognized for its protective effects on nerves, its ability to promote satiety, and its positive effects on cognitive function and mood. Food. Number 1. Red wine is considered one of the most iconic foods when it comes to health benefits, primarily due to its rich polyphenol content, antioxidant compounds found in grapes, and especially abundant in the skins of dark grapes used in the production of red wine. Unlike grape juice, red wine undergoes a fermentation process that alters the composition of its components, further concentrating the polyphenols from the grape skins. That's why red wine is considered more beneficial for health than grape juice, containing a higher amount of these antioxidants. The color of the wine, ranging from red to white, is indicative of this concentration of polyphenols, with red wine having the highest amount, followed by white wine and finally, beer. In addition to polyphenols, red wine contains alcohol in small quantities, which can also bring cardiovascular health benefits when consumed in moderation. Studies suggest that moderate alcohol consumption, such as that found in red wine, may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, it's important to emphasize that excessive consumption of wine or any other alcoholic beverage can have adverse effects on health, such as weight gain, liver and brain damage, and an increased risk of alcohol dependence. Therefore, it's essential to enjoy wine in moderation, limiting consumption to recommended amounts and integrating it into a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Changing diet and lifestyle can help prevent artery plaque formation, but may not be enough for established cardiovascular conditions. Studies on plant-based diets show mixed results in reversing atherosclerosis. Collaborating with healthcare professionals for personalized treatment plans is crucial. Cholesterol medications, especially statins, can reduce the size of dangerous lipid-rich plaques, decreasing the risk of heart attacks. Lifestyle changes like quitting smoking, managing stress, and exercising regularly are essential for plaque regression. Overall, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to preventing and treating cardiovascular issues. Let's move on to the recipe we promised you. Ingredients: 4 liters, 1 gallon of clean water, 8 organic lemons, 8 organic garlic cloves. Approximately 2 inches of organic ginger. Instructions: wash the lemons thoroughly, scrubbing the peel, and cut them into pieces. Peel the ginger and garlic cloves, crush the garlic cloves and let them sit for 15 minutes to activate allicin. Place all ingredients except water in a blender and blend until smooth. In a medium saucepan, add water and the prepared paste and heat over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, remove from heat and let it cool. Strain the liquid and pour the drink into glass jars or bottles with a lid. Store in the refrigerator and consume daily on an empty stomach 2 hours before meals. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Also, remember to hit the notification bell to be the first to receive our updates. Now the ball is in your court. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to keep your arteries healthy and promote a life full of wellness and vitality. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your cardiovascular health. And if you have any suggestions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and keep this conversation going. Until the next video, and always remember, your health comes first. Take care. See you soon.